In the state of Florida, free-running cable for closed-circuit television and security systems is permitted in commercial buildings under specific conditions according to the Florida Building Code. Section 605.12 permits the installation of listed and labeled electrical conductors, cables, or raceways directly through holes in studs, joists, rafters, or similar structural members, following Article 300 of the National Electrical Code. The National Electrical Code Article 300.11a states that cables and raceways must be installed and supported in a neat and workmanlike manner. Cables shall be securely fastened to the building structure at intervals not exceeding 4.5 feet, which is 1.37 meters. Also, National Electrical Code 300.22c says cables must be protected from physical damage where they pass through or are attached to building members. Furthermore, National Electrical Code 300.24 cables shall be supported at intervals not exceeding 12 feet, which is 3.66 meters. There are also additional requirements. Firstly, the cables must be listed and labeled for their intended use and application. Secondly, they must be securely fastened to the building structure at intervals not exceeding 4.5 feet. Thirdly, they must be protected from physical damage where they pass through or are attached to building members. Fourthly, they must be supported at intervals not exceeding 12 feet. While free-running cable is permitted, conduit might still be required in some situations. Firstly, when the cables are exposed to physical damage or environmental hazards. Secondly, when the cables are required to be hidden for aesthetic reasons. Thirdly, when specified by the authority having jurisdiction. It is always advisable to consult with the local authority having jurisdiction to confirm the specific requirements for your project.